And let yourself absorb the energy that's in the garden, all these plants that have been so lovingly tended over the summer by our very Sharon and myself when I've been here. And feel the growth. Feel the fact that every single thing around you right now is growing. There's so much movement happening around you and beneath your feet. Okay. So closing your eyes, bringing yourself into a place of total reverence for the earth that's beneath you. Bring your attention to your feet and really feel the ground beneath them. Squeeze your toes into the dirt and the grass. Let your weight be on your feet and let the earth hold that weight. Visualize a beautiful cord extending from the center of your foot chakras deep into the ground beneath you. Feel it moving through the soil, the worms, the bugs, the ants, the roots of the plants, moving through the bedrock that is beneath that beautiful quartz that we talked about. Feel it moving deeper and deeper through the mantle, all the way down to the center of the earth. Breathe that in and exhale. Invite the energy from the earth's core to rise up along this cord until it reaches the surface just beneath your feet. See the colors of this core energy, this core earth energy, whatever colors come to you. And allow your body to feel its vibration and its pulse, as though it were thrumming beneath your feet. Feel into its energy. Now from your foot chakras, send out multiple tendrils in all directions around you, along the surface of the soil and the ground. And if they choose to go deeper, that's fine. And allow them to intersect with each other until there's an entire web of these tendrils covering the land as far as it needs to go. Now bring your awareness back to that core earth energy that's simmering just beneath the surface of your feet, and pull it up from where it is and send it flooding along each of these tendrils until the entire web is full and pulsating with this energy. Every place this web touches, where stuck energy is being held by the land, transforms this blocked energy into puffs of multicolored smoke. Visualize them, see them, feel them each time there's a contact with a block or something the earth is holding. See that poof as it gets transformed, dissipating into the sky for transmutation. Allow your inner vision to run along this web in all directions, looking for these puffs of smoke until you no longer see any. When you no longer see any more puffs, bring your attention back to yourself. You are a lightning rod for this pure and ancient earth energy. Bring it in to your body And then allow it to flow back out of your body into the earth. Noticing if there's any areas in your body where that earth energy remains, let it do its work on you, and then invite it to return to the earth. And now ask the land what it requires to be healthy and supported, allowing the answer to come to you. And ask the land what it can do for you to be supported and healthy. When that process feels complete, take a deep breath in, opening your eyes, and on the exhale, come fully back to your body and this present moment. And as you come back, give yourself a shake, lift your feet up from the earth. And you can thank the earth by going down, bringing your hands to the earth and connecting like that with gratitude and thanks. Thank you for watching my talks and my videos. It's my passion to share with you what I know and believe. We have lots of laughter, sometimes tears. We're always learning and growing. I would love to hear from you and stay connected. Enjoy this amazing day.